have to fake me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Christina and I welcome you to my channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to create this super dewy easy glam look for Eid. Yes guys, Eid is just around the corner, so I thought why not create a super easy glam look for this Eid. If you want to know how I created this super glowy easy yet glam look, then keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to prep my skin. For that I'm using this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer, and I seriously love this moisturizer and it just gives a very glowy finish. Then I'm going to take this Swiss Beauty Makeup Illuminating Primer. Okay, so now this primer has gold tint to it, which will give our base a very glowy and dewy finish. And if you want a matte finish, then do not use this primer. Instead, use a mattifying pore filling primer. And now for my foundation, I'm taking this LA Girl Pro HD foundation. It's an full coverage foundation and I'm in the shade Nude Beige. And with this I'm mixing my Blue Heaven makeup foundation in the shade Natural. And I'll mix both the shade and I'll be applying it on my face using a foundation brush. Next up I'm taking this Swiss Beauty concealer and I think I'm in the shade Sand, and I'll be applying it under my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin, and also on the bridge of my nose. And I'll be blending the concealer using the same foundation brush. And then I'm setting my base using this compact powder, and then I'll be moving on with my brows. For my brows I'm using an angular brush so that we get an precise brows. Okay, so moving on with our eye look. First I'm taking this brown transition shade, and with the help of this blending brush I'm going to apply this as my transition shade, and I'm going in an windshield motion. Then I'm going to take this fluffy blending brush and I'll be taking this red shade and I'm going to apply this into my crease. Next I'm taking this dense fluffy blending brush and I'm picking up this yellow shade and I will be applying it just above the crease. And then with the help of a small blending brush, I'm going to take a maroon shade and I'm going to apply it on my outer V to intensify my outer V and for that glam effect. And at last I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend all the colors together so that there is no harsh line. And then I'm going to take this golden shimmer shade from this palette, and with the help of my finger I'm going to apply this shade on my lids. I'm just applying it on my 1/3 of my lid. And then again I'm going to take that maroon shade and I'm just going to blend so that there is no harsh line between that golden shimmer shade and the maroon shade. And for my eyeliner, I'm taking this Swiss Beauty eyeliner and I'm just drawing a winged liner. This eyeliner particularly is very good for drawing winged liner easily. Then I'm going to just take that same yellow shade and the maroon shade and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line for a smoked out effect. And then I'm going to take this shimmer shade and I'm going to apply it in my inner corner and also on my brow bone. And then for my eyelashes, I'm gonna coat my eyelashes using this Mars Fabulash mascara. I just love this mascara. I'm just gonna quickly apply my falsies and then I'm going to move on with my rest of my face makeup. I'm going to contour my face lightly using this Nicka K contour palette. With a very light hand, I'm just contouring my jawline and my nose, contouring my face to just bring that dimension back to my face. And next, to bring some color back to my face, I'm just going to use this Shivana blush palette. I'm going to take this nude and this pink blush color and I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks. And for some glow, I'm using this Revolution HD highlighting palette. Today I'm going to line my lips using this Wet n Wild lip pencil in the shade Chestnut Brown. And for my lipstick, I'm going to mix two shades. The first shade which I'm applying is this Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick in the shade Coffee Light, and the next shade is Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha. And trust me guys, I just loved this nude lipstick shade. I'm so obsessed with this color. And for the final touch, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro HD setting spray to set my makeup. And yeah, we are done with the makeup. So guys, this is my final Eid Glam look. I personally loved how this look turned out. And if you like this look, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And guys, Eid Mubarak in advance to you and your family, and I'll meet you all in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye guys, love you all.